How to delete GCash account. Today we're tackling an important topic, how to delete your GCash account. Whether you're switching to a different payment method or just want to take a break, I'm going to show you step by step how to delete your account permanently. Let's jump right in. First, open the GCash app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Next, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner to go to your account settings. In the profile menu, scroll down and select Help Center. This is where you can find all the options related to account management, including deleting your account. In the search bar of the Help Center, type in Delete Account and hit Search. This will bring up all the articles and options related to deleting your account. Once you see the article titled Delete My GCash Account, tap on it to get detailed instructions. To delete your account, GCash requires you to contact customer support. You can do this by sending an email to support@gcash.com. And that's it. That's how you simply delete your GCash account.